Today we're going to make a custom jelly roll coaster. What you're going to need is a 2.5-inch strip of fabric. This can be from your stash or from a jelly roll, it's up to you. And you'll also need a 2.5-inch strip of batting. The first thing you're going to do after you have your two pieces is you're going to align them together so that they are perfectly squared with one another. After that, we're going to fold our jelly roll pieces. So you'll fold it so that it lines up in the middle of your strip on each end. And then you're going to fold it over itself so that your raw edges are hidden. If you want to simplify this process, ask us about the fabric tube maker in the comments. From here, all you have to do is sew 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch along the edge to tack your pieces together. Whoa. Does that look right? I think a walking foot would help this process too, if you have one. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm going to cut my ends off, because I didn't quite need the whole thing. And I'll cut the selvage off. All right, now we can fold our tube so that we can make it into a circle. This is a part I don't know how to do. So once you have your tube, you're going to lay it in front of you. We'll go this way. So straight out towards you, you're going to fold it over so it looks like an L. And then you're going to take your tail and fold it under. So then you have this little triangle edge, and you can take wonder clips or whatever you like to sew with and hold it in place. And then you're going to use your straight stitch just to kind of hold down this edge. You'll very carefully sew that. Make sure you double back and sew to tack it down. And then once you have that tacked down, you'll take a zigzag stitch and stitch your middle together so that it closes the gap, and then we'll start on the second side. Now that you have your zigzag down the middle to help hold it in place, you're going to do the same folds. You're going to fold over, and then your tail will go under, and that will help start your square so that you can start circling around. You'll take your wonder clips and pin it in the same spot. You'll sew down the side and then zigzag across. Okay, now that you have that sewed down, you'll zigzag across to help hold it in place. Then you can zigzag as you curve your pieces around. All right, now that you've gone round and round, you can take your coaster to the ironing board to press it and help it lay flat. If you have any tips to help me out, leave them in the comments below. Contact Nebraska Quilt Company.